morning. Today I want to share with you, I was offered these at a discount. I did pay for them, but you get 10 blending sponges for $9.99 on Amazon, and they're individually wrapped, so I'll probably add some to the giveaway that's coming up. We're already here, just a hint, because I decided to do something different with it. Hold on. So you may have missed it, who knows. All right, here Eric. He is so hyper today. I've already got my primer on. I use the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and I use the Replenishing by Too Faced. And I'm gonna go in with the True Match Luminous Makeup by L'Oreal. It's my favorite. This is in shade W3. And we're gonna try it like I always do my sponges. We're gonna do it dry. And we're gonna set it on. It's been so long since I used an actual, I think Eric messed with this. An actual sponge. I've been using those other things like the Blendiful. So let's see. I'm liking the way it's laying down. It's like laying this foundation down great. This is a first impression. As you saw, I just opened it. But for $9.99, you get 10 of these individually wrapped in the bag. Let's go ahead and get some foundation for the neck. And I like the way the sponges are shaped. I'll show you why. Like, you could use the bottom to put your foundation on. You could use this to sculpt your cheeks and everything. So I kind of like that. I'm just trying to build up over some of the scars I have. All right. And I got the lights down as low as I can, and y'all be able to see me because I want it to be semi-real. So like if I put it on this, that's cool toned. But if I mix it like the exact, it's got like then turn it down. Not much of a difference. And I like that because y'all are able to see my actual skin. So we're gonna take and get a concealer. We'll go ahead and use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Since I'm using the foundation, we'll just go with that. I'm gonna put one there. We're gonna blend that in with our finger first. And then I'm gonna go in with the brush, the sponge in a second. All right, because the sponge, I'm gonna take it on this side. And I am going to dab it across the bottom. Make sure to get that blended in. On the clean side first, and then I'll show you what I do. All All right, see how it's a little bit brighter than I would like just in that area? So I take what's left on the sponge and I kind of blend it upwards into that to kind of, I guess you could say like when you do your eyeshadow blending it so there's not a harsh all of a sudden. We're going to take a little bit of this again. We're going to brighten. We're going to use the bottom this time. Then we're going to take that one side again, and we're just going to kind of blend it around so that it's brightened, but it's not harsh again. All right, now we're going to take, I have it here somewhere. Maybe I don't. Maybe I put it up yesterday when I was trying to clean up. And there's Eric. All right. You see the difference in the lighting? Now we're going to take the Anastasia powder. I'm going to tap it in here. And then we're going to take a little bit on the sponge. This part is like chiseled. I don't know if y'all can see that. Just a little. And I'm not trying to bake. I'm just trying to set these areas. Because I don't like baking personally. But these sponges are perfect if you do. And then we're going to take a brush real quick and put the powder on everywhere and wipe it away from under the eyes. All right, I'm gonna put some more powder in this lid because if you bake, I'm gonna show you what the sponge is also good for. But we're gonna take Nesting Bad Word Face by Pretty Vulgar. And we're going to grab this little sculpting thing that I use. It's not really a sculpting thing. I think it's supposed to be a blush brush. We're gonna put that bronzer on there. We're just putting it where we want it right now. Move this up. All right. I know it looks funny right now. I don't usually have it on like that. We're going to take this sculpting side. I purposely put it on harsh so I could show you. So you put it on there And then you find the spot. You want it to be, if you're baking, there. And you want it to be thick enough to sink into the skin. All right, let's take some blush while we're waiting for that, because you gotta wait. I think that's kind of why I don't like baking, because I'm kind of a get it over with kind of person. I don't know where my other blush brush is, so we'll just use this Morphe M405. We're gonna go into Hush Blush. I'm not a real pinky cheeks kind of person, so we'll fix that in a minute when we finish with this powder. And we're gonna go in with the highlighter in here. It's called Glimmer of BS. It's a really pretty highlighter. Let's take this and just kind of all right, now we're gonna spray some setting spray. This is the e.l.f. setting spray, my favorite. All right, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and take the Tati Blendiful and just kind of set it in and look. But you see how it kind of fixed that right there? I'm gonna try to take a clean brush and blend that out a little bit. I have no idea who that is. All right, so this is the sponge, $9.99. They all come individually wrapped. So I'm gonna take 5 of them, and I'm gonna throw them in the giveaway. That's here somewhere. So we're gonna put that over there. We're gonna take 5 of these and put them in the giveaway for Christmas. And I'm gonna finish my eyes in another video. But overall, I really do like the sponge. I should try it wet also, but I didn't. I'm sorry. But if you've been here a while, you know. But if you look at it, you see that? This side's perfectly flat. So that would have been probably a little better. But this side is curved. So to me, that's better because it contours to your face. And I like that. So that's why I use that side for the powder and why I use this side for the liquids. And this really did work really good for what I was using it for. And $9.99. It's very soft but dense, which is good, which is what I like. And I would say this is a pretty good deal. I'm actually very impressed. These were only $9.99 for 10 of them. So I'll get back to you on how long they last though. I mean, I'm going to use them in some future videos, so you'll see. And I will clean that one so we know how well they clean. And I will leave an update down below after I do that. I could use it a couple times before I clean it, so that's why I said I'll leave it down below. But you can get it on Amazon, $9.99. And I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.